Hello and welcome. In today's session, we will be understanding your target market. In today's competitive business landscape, understanding your target market is essential for success. But what exactly is target market? This is your channel Small Talks, and I welcome you where we unveil captivating subjects with simplicity and intrigue. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to push the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates. A target market refers to a specific group of consumers or businesses that a company aims to reach with its products or services. It involves identifying and understanding the characteristics, needs, preferences, and behavior of a particular group within the larger market. A target market is determined through market segmentation, where the broader market is divided into small segments based on various criteria. These criteria includes demographics, psychographics, behavior, and geography. Let's dive into the concept using a real-life example. Imagine you are an entrepreneur launching a new line of fitness apparel. Your target market would consist of individuals who have passion for active lifestyle, seek high-quality, stylish workout clothing. To define target market, you need to segment the larger market based on criteria like age, gender, fitness goals, and preferred workout activities. Through market research, you will gather insights and data about your target market. Surveys, focus groups, and data analysis will help you understand their preferences, purchasing behavior, and motivations. Let's say your research reveals that your target market values both performance and fashion in their working clothing. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your marketing strategies specifically for your target market. From selecting the right marketing channels to creating compelling messages, your effort will be focused on reaching and resonating the specific group. Your marketing campaigns may highlight the durability, moisture-wicking properties, and sleek design of your fitness apparel. You might utilize social media platforms, fitness influencers, and partnership with gym and fitness events to reach your target market effectively. By addressing the unique needs and preferences of your target market, you establish a strong connection with them. This helps in building long-term relationships and customer loyalty. Additionally, by continuously monitoring your target market and adapting to changes, you can stay ahead of competition. Keep an eye on evolving trends, new segments, and shifting preferences within your target market. Remember, understanding your target market is an ongoing process. It empowers you to refine your offering, expand into new segments, and position your brand effectively. So whether you're launching a fitness apparel brand or starting any other business, identifying and understanding your target market is the key of achieving success in today's dynamic market. Invest the time and resources into market research, develop tailored marketing strategies, and build long-lasting relationships with your customers. By doing so, you will position yourself for growth and make a significant impact in your industry. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, comment on the videos and hit the like button. And please don't forget to share it with your friends.